at all the homes out here near Charleston, all covered in snow. Look at the rooftops over there, babe. Look at the rooftops.
We are on the way to
Red
Red
Rock.
Canyon.
Red Rock.
Look at that.
It's snowy. Look at all the snow. It looks like we're on another planet. This isn't Vegas in February.
Are we in Vegas?
Are we in Vegas in February? What the H? They haven't had this much snow in Vegas since 1937. That's a long time ago.
But I remember Edna. I saw a picture of Edna before we went to 2008.
Yeah.
It's snowing in
Yeah, but it never snowed so much. Like, there was snow. If there's going to be rain.
There's snow, but not
Yeah, not central.
Vegas.
Yeah, central Vegas, like, but never like 9 or 10 inches of snow like they had in Summerlin. That's just unheard of. Last time.
1937. Wow, that was a long time ago.
We figured we'd take a drive in the snow up to see Red Rock Canyon. Yeah. It's supposed to be really snowy in the canyon. Look at all this snow on the mountains over here. It's so low. Snow. Everything is so wet. It's hard to believe this is Vegas. Look, this is the Charleston Road, turns into Red Rock. Well, goes into Red Rock Canyon. And look at the houses over here. They're just blizzarded out. Oh my goodness, this looks so amazing. This looks like the time we went to Mount Charleston when it was snowing heavy, remember? And that was on Christmas, and we took you up there for Christmas.
It's so pretty. I wonder what happens with the
This is like
horses.
a winter wonderland.
Whatever happened to the white horses.
All the rabbits are in their holes.
It's gonna be so cool.
It is 36 degrees out right here. What my thermometer says in the car. And it is snowing right now. Baby snow is falling.
It's so pretty.
So beautiful.
Can you wipe the windshield?
Unfortunately, we couldn't take our babies out. The lizards. It's way too cold for
Oh
them.
my god.
I wonder what Kugu and Mika would think. Why is everything white? What's going on? This is weird. We don't have this in Australia.
Look at these people.
All people are stopped on the side of the road, playing in the snow.
People are so curious. And you would be very curious about something.
Yeah, if you don't have snow, if you're not from a place that snows often like Vegas, this is pretty cool.
We're one of them.
Yeah, I'm from California originally, Divine's from the Philippines, so we don't know what snow is.
Oh, playing with the snow. Can you wipe again, babe? Oh, it's snowing right now.
It's snowing hardcore. Look at that. It's blizzarding.
Blizzarding.
It's blizzard.
It's blizzard and the lizard.
My wife is a lizard and she's in the blizzard. She's a tuku lizard. Oh my goodness, look at the snow. BLM Visitor Center.
Are we gonna drive the Red Rock route?
Alien snow falling.
Alien snow falling.
Snow.
It's a snow.
It's snow.
It's snowing.
Look at this. Calico Basin.
Oh, that's where we went last time.
Probably gonna snow all night. Look at
For
those
sure,
mountains
it's
over there.
snowing
Look at
right
those
now.
mountains over there. They're just completely covered in snow.
You can't even tell it's a mountain.
Look, you can't. If you look that way, you can't even see the mountains. There's mountains over there, but it's just all white. That's pretty crazy. Everything is snowed out. I wonder if it's open.
Oh, I think it's open. I think so.
No, it's closed.
Oh, it's closed.
We
You
can't
wanna
go through the Red Rock
there, but it's closed.
Well, we were gonna go through the beautiful scenic loop, but unfortunately it's closed. So we could just keep driving this way and go all the way through the canyon, huh?
It's snowing so hard right now.
I know. Look at that. That is crazy.
Crazy.
Build a snowman and pretend that we're some brown. You'll ask us if we're married, we'll say no, man.
That's so
You
pretty.
can enjoy all your time. Later on, we'll conspire as we dream by the fire to face unafraid plans that we made. Walking in the winter night. Walking in the winter. You are beautiful, no matter what they say. Troubles can't bring me down. That person threw a snowball.
Want to step somewhere and take photos?
If you want to get out and take photos, I'm not going to get out, babe.
Well, because you don't have
I'm
jacket.
wearing sandals and it's 34 degrees out, babe. Oh, look at the cops.
So I'm gonna drink coffee after this.
Yeah, we'll stop and get more coffee on the way home. Yeah, I think we're going to turn right. Yeah, just keep going straight.
Or maybe you can U-turn here and let's go back.
Yeah, I'll go the long way back, all the way that way.
Oh, this is where you U-turn from the Scenic Drive. Is it?
Yeah. We came here before, remember? At night to see the stars. In the parking
Oh,
lot.
yeah.
Remember? And we heard like alien sounds, like. There's aliens.
Aliens.
No, for reals. We're in the Philippines and we're staying at Casa Carmela. And there's a field next to us. And I've heard cows before, you know. We had cows at school in the Future Farmers of America. They had cow section. And I'm sitting there and I'm outside, we're on the patio. And all of a sudden I hear. And I'm like, what the fuck is that sound? And Divine's like, oh, those are cows. And I'm like, babe, those are not cow. I've never heard a cow. I guess everything sounds different in the Philippines. They had lizards going, "Toko!" They got cows going. I don't know, man. That place is a trip. They got chickens and goats and ducks in the road.
Yeah, it's the middle of the night too, how we went.
Yeah, in the middle. It's like 3 a.m. And I hear that sound, babe. And she goes, "It's a beef." It's a beef. What? It's a beef?
It's the corned beef.
The beef makes that sound in the Philippines when you order beef in the Philippines. It goes.
Come on.
It was funny. Snow. Look at the snow is falling on me. Look at the snow. Snow babies.
Oh, let me see.